Hi everyone, welcome back to Mr. Jiabao's Mandarin lesson. Today we are going to learn some animals. Okay, I will teach you guys all 8 animals in Chinese. First one will be this. Yáng, 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 yáng. 织乌猪猪鸡一鸡么啊马马马一啊鸭鸭鸭呢一有牛牛牛 Okay, next two will be a little bit complicated. 青蛙青蛙青蛙qīngwā青乌鸦蛙青蛙猫头鹰猫头鹰猫头鹰猫猫特偶头鹰鹰猫头鹰 Alright. Next, I'm going to show you one of the animals, and you guys can guess what the Chinese is. Okay, the first one will be this. 青蛙牛鸡羊猪鸭马猫头鹰 Alright, thanks for watching. See you guys.